Summer travel season is officially here. Airports are filling up, flights are packed, hotels are selling out, and millions of people are preparing for what they hope will be an unforgettable vacation. But every single summer, thousands of travelers make simple mistakes that end up costing them hundreds of dollars, hours of frustration, or in some cases, their entire trip. Today, we're going through 10 of the biggest travel mistakes people make during the busy summer season, and more importantly, how you can avoid them. Whether you're flying next week or still planning your vacation, these tips could save you money, time, and a whole lot of stress. Let's begin. One of the biggest myths in travel is that airline tickets always become cheaper if you wait. Unfortunately, that's rarely true during the summer. Airlines know demand is incredibly high. Families are traveling. Schools are closed. Popular destinations are filling up quickly. As seats disappear, prices usually increase. If you've already decided where you're going, don't wait until the last minute hoping for a miracle deal. Instead, use fare trackers like Google Flights. Set price alerts. Watch prices for a few days. And when you see a reasonable fare, book it. Trying to save another $20 often ends up costing you $200. Another mistake many travelers make is forgetting to choose their seats. Buying a ticket doesn't automatically mean you'll get a good one. If you leave seat selection until check-in, you could find yourself stuck in the middle seat or even separated from your family. This is especially important if you're traveling with children. On busy summer flights, the best seats disappear quickly. Selecting your seats early can make a long journey far more comfortable. Another surprisingly common mistake is not checking your passport properly. Many travelers assume that because their passport hasn't expired, they're good to go. But many countries actually require your passport to remain valid for at least 6 months beyond your travel dates. If it doesn't, the airline may refuse to let you board. Some destinations also require blank passport pages. Before leaving home, take just 2 minutes to double-check everything. It could save your entire holiday. Speaking of airports, summer also means incredibly long security lines. If you're a frequent traveler, programs like TSA PreCheck, Global Entry, or Clear can save you a huge amount of time. These programs aren't available everywhere, but many countries now offer similar fast-track security services. If you travel regularly, they're definitely worth looking into. Another simple tip that many people overlook: download your airline's mobile app. It might sound obvious, but it's one of the most useful travel tools you can have. If your gate changes, you'll know immediately. If your flight is delayed, the app usually tells you before the airport announcements. Many airline apps also let you rebook flights, track your luggage, chat with customer support, and receive important travel updates in real time. Instead of standing in a queue with hundreds of frustrated passengers, you may be able to solve everything directly from your phone. If you're planning on visiting an airport lounge, don't assume the rules are the same as last year. Many lounges have changed their access policies. Some now limit guest access. Others restrict the number of visits each year. And some credit cards no longer include the same benefits they once did. Checking before you leave home could save you from an awkward surprise at the lounge entrance. Another mistake many travelers make is waiting too long to book activities. Flights aren't the only things that sell out. Popular attractions disappear incredibly quickly during the summer. National parks, Disney restaurants, guided tours, museum tickets, boat trips, even poolside cabanas. If there's something you absolutely don't want to miss, reserve it as early as possible. Here's something else many travelers never think about until it's too late: knowing your passenger rights. If an airline cancels your flight, you could be entitled to a refund, not just a travel voucher, an actual refund. Depending on where you're flying, passenger protection laws can be surprisingly strong. Understanding your rights before you travel can save you hundreds of dollars if things don't go according to plan. Another thing people often skip: travel insurance. Nobody enjoys paying for insurance until they actually need it. Lost luggage, medical emergencies, canceled flights, unexpected illness. These situations happen every single day. Before buying a separate insurance policy, check your credit card. Many premium travel cards already include excellent travel protection. And finally, let's talk about baggage fees. Airlines continue increasing checked bag charges almost every year. For families, those fees can add hundreds of dollars to the cost of a vacation. Packing a little smarter, traveling with carry-on luggage when possible, or using airline benefits that include free checked bags can save a surprising amount of money. Before we finish, here's one bonus tip. Whenever possible, book refundable hotels. Hotel prices constantly change. If you notice the rate drops before your trip, simply cancel your original reservation and book the exact same room again at the lower price. The same strategy often works with flights too, depending on the airline's fare rules. It only takes a few minutes, but it could save you a significant amount of money. Summer holidays should be exciting, not stressful. Most travel disasters aren't caused by bad luck. They're caused by simple mistakes that are completely avoidable. Spend just a little time planning ahead, and you'll save yourself money, time, and a lot of unnecessary frustration. Now we'd love to hear from you. What's the biggest travel mistake you've ever made? Or what's your number one travel tip for fellow travelers? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest aviation news, airline updates, and travel tips. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.